If you're creating videos online, then you need people to stop scrolling and watch your videos. So let's talk about how to get you noticed. Here are 3 quick Canva hacks I use to make my designs pop, even if you are not a designer. Number 1, use bold text and use contrast. So don't be afraid of color. Pair a dark background with a bright bold text like black plus neon yellow or deep blue and white. So know that when you're creating a thumbnail, you want people to be able to see your thumbnail. So make the text as big as possible and use color for contrast. So use colors like green for symbolizing good or growth, right? And use colors like red to symbolize danger or a warning. Next, make your videos more animated by adding GIFs or other animations or videos. So you can get these available via Giphy or just searching online. So make your content more engaging so people will be more engaged. Because the more engagement you like, the more this feeds the algorithm, and the more this feeds the algorithm, the more your page grows.
Yes, science!
Next, let's talk about removing backgrounds like a pro. In Canva Pro, you can use the one-click background remover to isolate your photo and layer it over patterns, gradients, or shapes. This gives your design that polished, professional look you see from top brands. Otherwise, if you're working with a graphic designer, ensure that they send you what we call a PNG image. And a PNG image is simply an image with a transparent background. And you're going to need PNG files when you're creating thumbnails, especially for YouTube. And here is a quick bonus. If you upgrade to Canva Pro, you unlock millions of premium templates, photos, and the magic resize tool to repurpose your designs instantly. And know that you can try Canva Pro for free for 30 days using my link below. So go and create something scroll stopping today. And there you go. 3 Canva hacks for creating scroll stopping content. So what's stopping you today from creating your content?